Welcome to Pick of the Week from Power Semiconductors Weekly. Top industry stories this week. ST Microelectronics expanded its 800-volt DC data center power portfolio with 800-volt to 12 and 800-volt to 6-volt architectures aligned to NVIDIA's 800-volt reference design, complementing its earlier 800-volt to 50-volt approach. The 12-volt path can eliminate the traditional 54-volt stage to cut conversion steps and losses, while the 6-volt rail brings power closer to GPUs to reduce resistive losses and improve transients. Microchip launched BC-Pack M6 power modules engineered to exceed 1000-hour HV-H3 requirements for high humidity, high voltage environments. Offered in half-bridge, full-bridge, 3-phase and PIM-CIB topologies, the baseband-less modules use press-fit solderless terminals, optional pre-applied thermal interface material, and industry-standard footprints for easy integration and multi-sourcing. Texas Instruments unveiled a complete 800-volt DC power architecture for next-generation AI data centers, aligned with NVIDIA 800-volt reference design and demonstrated at NVIDIA GTC 2026. TI highlighted a streamlined two-stage path from 800-volt to GPU core rails, an 800-volt to 6-volt isolated bias converter, then a 6-volt to sub-1-volt multi-phase buck. Reference designs include an 800-volt hot swap controller, a GaN-based 800-volt to 6-volt converter reaching 97.6% peak efficiency and over 2 kW per cubic inch of power density, plus 30 kW AC-DC and capacitor bank support. Navitas introduced a GaN-fast-based power delivery board that converts 800-volt directly to 6-volt in a single stage, eliminating the traditional 48-volt intermediate bus. Designed for next-generation AI data centers aligned with NVIDIA infrastructure, the board targets 96.5% peak efficiency at 1 MHz and roughly 2.1 kW per cubic inch power density and an ultra-low profile form factor for close GPU placement. It uses a stacked full bridge with 650-volt GaN and a 25-volt MOSFET secondary to simplify the power chain and reduce losses. Infineon Technologies released two high-voltage intermediate bus converter reference designs to speed adoption of ± 400-volt and 800-volt DC AI server power. Using 650-volt cool GaN, one design converts 800-volt ± 400-volt to 50-volt, delivering over 98% efficiency and scaling to 6 kW in a compact architecture. The second converts 800-volt directly to 12-volt via half-bridge LLC and matrix transformer, reaching up to 98.2% peak efficiency and over 2.3 kW per cubic inch power density for ultra-thin server boards. ROM said it's reviewing strategic options to strengthen long-term competitiveness, including evaluating denser proposal for a potential share acquisition. Citing intensifying competition in power semiconductors, ROM is pursuing structural reforms under its November 2025 midterm plan and continues separate collaboration talks with Toshiba and Japan industrial partners. An independent special committee will assess all options, while ROM emphasized no decision has been made and operations remain stable. We'll be back next week. Meanwhile, get your daily updates at powersemiconductorsweekly.com.